Mail merge using Microsoft Word 2007. First of all, check the folder and make sure you have the files you need. They are charges letter and suppliers. If we look at charges letter, we can see that that is the text file that will be used as a letter. And if we look at suppliers, we can see that this is a comma delimited file. Mail merge will recognize this and use the commas to organize the data into fields. It will assume that the top row contains field names. To begin mail merge, we need to open the charges letter using Microsoft Word. I have the files on the desktop. Charges letter. Now, at the moment, it's still a text file, so we need to save it as a Word document. Now, this document will contain the fields, and the correct term is the form letter. So I'll save it as form letter. As part of functional skills, you're expected to create folders. Now is a good time to start. I'm going to create 2 folders. The first, my name, and in there a folder called Part 1. That's because the functional skills exam is in 2 parts and the mail merge is in Part 1. Form letter. Save. I can now begin the mail merge. Click on the Mailings ribbon. Because mail merge is set at letter as default, I could go straight to select recipients. But let's have a look at the list and see what else is available. There's letters, emails, envelopes, labels. I can go straight to select recipients. Use existing list. Find the folder. Suppliers. Now the Edit Recipient button is available to us. So I can click there. And we can see that mail merge did use the commas and organized the data into fields and used the top row as field names. You will be expected to filter this list. Not everybody will be receiving a letter. In this example, we're only sending letters to the suppliers of energy who supply both gas and electricity. To filter, let's select one there. And one there. Now we can see that only the suppliers who supply both gas and electricity will receive a letter. Now we can move straight to Insert Merge Field. If I click here, I can see the list of fields available. Now, the letter has these words here already, and I'm going to replace those words with the field names. Oh, town's jumped up. I'll just press the Enter key to put that back underneath. Now, there are some spelling mistakes in the letter, so I need to fix these. I can right-click, correct it that way, or I can go to Review spelling and grammar and do it this way. So appliance and suggestions, appliance. Change. Tariff. Change. Complete. Okay. Now I'm going to put my name here at the bottom of the letter. I'm also going to change this font. In a text file, the font is always Courier New. So I'm holding down the Control key and pressing A to select all the font in the document, and we'll have Calibri size 11. Okay, now I'm happy with the way this letter looks. I can return to mailings and preview the results. That looks fine. Now I can click Finish and Merge, Edit Individual Documents. All is already selected. I just need to click OK. Now we can see all of the letters. I need to save these now. Got the form letter there, and I'm going to save these as suppliers letters and save. I can close those. Click Save on the form letter and close there as well. So that's mail merge for functional skills.